Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. For the best results, always use the freshest eggs you can find. Fill a deep saucepan with approximately 3 to 4 inches of water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain their shape during cooking. Do not add salt to the water, as it can cause the whites to break apart. Now, let's prepare your eggs for poaching. Crack each egg individually into a fine mesh sieve placed over a small bowl. This crucial step allows the very thin, watery part of the egg white to drain away, preventing those wispy strands in your poaching water. Let it drain for about 1 minute. Once drained, carefully transfer the firmer egg into a small ramekin or bowl, making it easy to gently slide into the water. The water temperature is key for perfect poaching. Bring your water to a gentle simmer, where you see small bubbles forming but not a rolling boil. The ideal temperature is between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently slide the prepared egg from its ramekin into the simmering water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a firm white and a beautifully runny yolk. If poaching multiple eggs, ensure they have enough space. Once your egg is perfectly poached, carefully remove it from the water using a slotted spoon. Gently dab the bottom of the spoon on a paper towel to remove any excess water. This prevents your plate from becoming watery. Season your freshly poached egg with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve immediately on toast, avocado, or as part of a delicious Eggs Benedict. Enjoy your perfectly poached egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.